Welcome. In this quick and easy guide, you'll learn exactly how to turn on the microphone for WhatsApp so you can send voice messages, make clear calls, and use all the voice features without any issues. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or fixing a microphone problem, these steps will get you ready in no time. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your mobile device. This is where you control all the permissions and access for your apps. Once you're in Settings, scroll until you find the option labeled Apps. Tap on it to open the list of all applications installed on your phone. Next, look for WhatsApp in your apps list. You can scroll through the list or simply use the search bar at the top to find it faster. When you tap on WhatsApp, you'll see several options related to storage, notifications, and permissions. Now tap on Permissions. This section controls what features and information WhatsApp can access on your phone. You'll see a list of various permissions such as camera, contacts, location, and of course, microphone. Find and tap Microphone. This is where you decide how and when WhatsApp can use your microphone. You might see different options like Allow all the time, Allow only while using the app, or Don't allow. Here, select Allow only while using the app. This is the best choice because it gives WhatsApp access to your microphone only when you're actively using it, keeping your privacy safe while ensuring the app works the way it should. After selecting this option, you can exit back to your home screen. Now, open WhatsApp and test it by sending a quick voice message or making a call. Your microphone should now be working perfectly. And that's it. You've successfully turned on the microphone for WhatsApp. With just a few taps, you've made sure your voice can be heard clearly every time you send a message or chat with friends. Thanks for watching.